The 2026 Bentley Motorhome takes the concept of luxury travel to an entirely new level, blending the world-class craftsmanship Bentley is known for with the comfort and functionality of a premium mobile living space. This exceptional motorhome is designed for those who demand nothing but the best when traveling, offering a perfect balance of elegance, performance, and advanced technology. The exterior of the 2026 Bentley Motorhome features a sleek aerodynamic profile with sculpted body lines, high-gloss paint finishes, and subtle chrome accents that enhance its commanding road presence. Large panoramic windows not only improve aesthetics but also flood the interior with natural light, creating a bright and airy atmosphere. The signature Bentley grille, LED matrix headlights, and exclusive alloy wheels reflect the unmistakable DNA of the brand while maintaining the functionality required for long-distance touring. Step inside, and the interior feels like a 5-star luxury suite on wheels. The master bedroom features a king-size bed upholstered in Bentley's iconic diamond-quilted leather, high-thread count bedding, and built-in smart storage solutions. The living area is fitted with handcrafted wood veneers, polished metal accents, and soft ambient lighting, offering an elegant yet cozy environment for relaxation. A dedicated lounge space includes plush leather seating with massage and heating functions, a concealed entertainment system, and a panoramic skylight overhead. The kitchen is equally impressive, with marble countertops, premium appliances, an integrated wine cooler, and ample storage, making it ideal for preparing gourmet meals on the go. The 2026 Bentley Motorhome also offers a spa-inspired bathroom that features a rainfall shower with gold-trimmed fixtures, heated flooring, a vanity with backlit onyx surfaces, and an advanced water filtration system. The cockpit area is equipped with Bentley's latest driver assist technologies, a fully digital instrument cluster, and ergonomically designed leather seats for long-distance driving comfort. Smart connectivity throughout the motorhome allows for seamless control of lighting, climate, and entertainment via an integrated touchscreen or voice commands. Whether on the open highway or parked at a scenic location, the motorhome delivers an unmatched travel experience. Performance is equally important, and Bentley has ensured that this motorhome offers a smooth, quiet, and powerful ride. A high-torque diesel or hybrid powertrain delivers effortless acceleration and exceptional fuel efficiency for a vehicle of its size. Adaptive air suspension ensures a comfortable ride, absorbing bumps and maintaining stability on varied terrain. Advanced safety features such as lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera system provide both driver confidence and passenger safety. This motorhome is more than just a way to travel, it is a statement of lifestyle and prestige. Every detail is carefully considered, from the choice of materials to the layout of each living space. It allows travelers to enjoy the Bentley luxury experience without compromise, no matter where the road takes them. For enthusiasts and potential buyers who appreciate a blend of elegance, technology, and practicality, the 2026 Bentley Motorhome stands as one of the most desirable options in the market. If you are passionate about luxury motorhomes, automotive innovation, and high-end travel experiences, make sure to watch the full video review of the 2026 Bentley Motorhome for a closer look at its specifications, features, and design. Subscribe now to AutoGrage to stay updated with the latest reviews, detailed walkthroughs, and exclusive previews of the world's most luxurious vehicles. AutoGrage is your go-to channel for in-depth analysis, honest opinions, and breathtaking visuals of cars and motorhomes that redefine automotive excellence.